going to Squam is probably one of the most inspiring creative things that you could possibly do because it's immersive and it's magical, surrounded by nature, fellow creative people that are just oozing inspiration and creativity. You can feel it, it's palpable. Hi, my name is Tona and I'm teaching Zine Magic, and we will be at Squam in fall 2025 in New Hampshire, Squam Lake. Zines have been around for a really long time, and it's so simple. It's the dissemination of thought and idea and passion. It's really the power of the written word. I've just always loved making little books, telling little stories, or being passionate about something and wanting to share that with someone, or wanting to put it in a cool form that nobody's seen before that makes them digest that information or get inspired even more. And it's a super quick, powerful tool. Zine Magic is a workshop where people will allow themselves to be really curious and to let go and to be really playful and try something they've never tried before. Even if they've made a zine, there's so many different things that you can do and really reach out of their comfort zone and try something different. And if you've never made a zine before, your mind is about to be blown. Something so simple as a piece of paper can be transformed into so many things. It's like medicine for your soul, because it taps into writing, it taps into art, it taps into expression. When people think they have nothing to say, they realize they have more to say than they think they do. I believe that people have a lot of ideas and a lot of stories and a lot of knowledge, and they should express that, and they should document that, and they should share it with others. And that's what this class allows you to do. It can seem deceptively simple, but most creative endeavors, if you open your heart and your mind to them, they are journeys. It's the self-discovery of a passion, things that really light you up, things that you're passionate about, things that you love. It's really a transformative journey, and it's something that stays with you and it changes you forever. And that's what this class allows you to do.